This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning off the sink shutoff valves and placing a bucket under the P-trap. This contains water and debris. Once done, use rags to protect the cabinet and grip the trap body with one hand while you loosen the slip nuts with a slip joint wrench counterclockwise. Do this slowly so sewage and water drain into the bucket. You do not need to remove nearby pipes yet. Just free the nuts enough to let the trap pivot and release trapped residue. Once the slip nuts are loosened, you lower the trap straight down and tip it to empty the contents into the bucket. This prevents spills and reveals the clog location. Then inspect the curved trap for corrosion, mineral buildup, or a hair clog and check the condition of washers and threads. If you find hardened deposits, scrub with a brush or soak in vinegar. Replace any cracked washers or stripped nuts. This prevents leaks when you reassemble and ensures a proper seal. You reassemble the trap by aligning the tailpiece and outlet, installing new washers if needed, and finger tightening the slip nuts before giving a final quarter turn with a wrench. Make sure not to over-tighten, which can deform seals. Once done, slowly restore water and run the sink while watching each joint for leaks. If you see drips, turn off water, tighten or reseat washers, and as a last resort, add plumber's tape to threads. This troubleshooting tip fixes most persistent leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.